welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Ezra Vidya Salamita Limbang from Physics Education Study Program 001, Faculty of Mathematics and Science, Gadar State University. Now, I will make experiment video about frequency and period. Purpose of the experiment. The purpose of physics experiment in frequency and period is to understand the concept of frequency and period, analyze what happened in experiment in a frequency and period, analyze that force that occur, and apply a frequency and period in the experiment. Material and tools. Spoons as a connector, rope, object as pendulum, and the bottle. Stage of experiment. The first, tie the pendulum with a string. Prepare two bottles and a spoon above the bottles as a reference. Then tie the rope to the spoon, then set up a stopwatch. Then start swinging the pendulum to the back. Then count the frequency and period with the vibration, then calculate how much time it takes. The measured physical quantity. The measured physical quantity is calculating oscillation and the time it takes the pendulum. Data of table and graph. Analyze the phenomena that occur. Period and frequency vibration. The time it takes for an object to make one full vibration move is called the period. Mathematically, T is equals to T per N, where T is time and N is the number of vibration, while the number of vibration that an object does time of the 1 second is called the frequency. The length of the rope is very influential on the time of vibration and frequency of vibration. The longer the rope, the longer it takes to make a vibration. This affects the period and frequency. The longer the string, the greater the period and the smaller the frequency. Conclusion. What affect the period and frequency of vibration are the mass, the length of the rope, and the difference in the angle of the rising vibration. But the result when subjected to this factor is only slightly different. Thank you for watching.